Now, this is an exclusive news break that we bring to you on India Today. Another CCTV on the bomber Umar. On camera, bomber Umar is found with an accomplice. Umar, accomplice, was stopped at an ATM in Haryana. The CCTV image is from Firozpur. Jirka agencies detain Umar's accomplice. Umar's accomplice grilled by the very agencies at this given point, which was news we were bringing to you earlier as to how the police is now interrogating all his aides. And now Shreya Chatterjee joins us back on the broadcast to bring us more details on this very CCTV footage. Shreya, more and more details coming to the forefront. This very CCTV footage has revealed that he was with an accomplice in this very car. What more are we picking up on this very front at this point?
Well, this is a very significant CCTV, Shreya. The CCTV is from the area of Mewat. Just I was talking a few minutes ago with you, where the clear scene is that he was accompanied by another individual, and it was an ATM where this CCTV was recorded. The car, you can see it takes a sharp U-turn and then gets down at a CCTV when a second person is seen, and what is being suggested that he was along with Umar, and this person had gone down to take out money from ATM. So this person in concern has been identified by the police, is being questioned, and we're being told that the investigative agencies, be the NIE and the cell, they're all questioning this person right now on whether he was assisting him, anything related to the fact that whether he helped in giving him money. So all these things are at point being investigated, but crucial piece of investigation details, because for the first time in a CCTV, Umar Nabi, the terrorist, has been spotted with another man that could probably lead to some important breakthrough for the investigative agencies.
Absolutely, Shreya. And I think with each passing day as the investigation intensifies, it is his accomplices who are now being looked at as to how far this network had been established or was being trying to be established by these people, especially by Dr. Umar. Shreya, thank you for those details.